Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoCoin Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the Stellar Lumens pair, and I'll be doing some technical analysis to see where it is going to go by the end of September and probably October 2021. So let's take a look at the USD pair first. So this is the Stellar USD chart, weekly chart from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, and right now um, we had a really rough week, I would say. We went down from nearly 31 cents to 25 cents. Quite a lot of surprise loss coming due to the turmoil that is happening in the Chinese market. So a lot of people are getting out of all these speculative assets, including elements and of course Bitcoin. So what is happening right now is we are having a correction right now, and this was, I think, very much necessary because we went from nearly 20 cents and touched 42 cents within the span of 6 weeks. So this correction was um, very much required. Another thing to keep in mind is September is usually not a good month for cryptocurrency, but fortunately September is coming to an end and October is about to start in 8 days. But a lot of stuff can happen in 8 days. So where is the Lumens going? So by deploying this Fibonacci, we can see that we have very good support somewhere around 25 cents, and we appear to be bouncing right now. That said, the MACD here is not looking that good. It has resetted itself, even though we flipped to the green on the 30th of August, start of September. We reset it and it's looking bearish right now. This is not good. That said, I'm neutral about the stochastic RSI, but that's neutral, I would say. We can still curl to the upside and make some gains there. So weekly wise, I am neutral because while we have bounced from this support, we must stay above the 25 cent level, because if we lose this level, we will go directly to somewhere around 19 cents. So you would not want Stellar to test this level again, because we have tested this level two times in the past already. And you don't want something to be tested again and again, because it will eventually break the support. So I have invested a lot in Stellar Lumens lately. I entered somewhere around 27 cents day before yesterday. So let's see how it goes. On the weekly, I'm neutral because the MACD is bearish, but the stochastic RSI and the usual chart is looking good to me, for now at least. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have made a bullish divergence on the MACD. So for midterm, or I would say short term, you can see some relief bounce to 30 cents or probably 32 cents as well. We were nearly oversold on the RSI on the 4-hour chart, so a relief bounce was expected as well. Some positive news is also coming out that China will be rescuing its rescuing this Evergrande company, if I'm pronouncing it right. So China will be rescuing that. So that is very bullish news for the speculative assets, including stocks and cryptocurrencies. The stochastic RSI is looking good. MACD is looking good. RSI is looking good, and the chart is also looking very bullish on the 4-hour chart. So this news just came in. So I think it will take some time for the market to react. We're already up 5%, 5.5%, so that's good. On the 12-hour chart, we can see that the bears are starting to lose momentum, and it's only a matter of, I would say, a day or two when we flip to the green sign on the MACD on the 12-hour chart as well. On the daily chart, again, the bears have started to lose control. They seem to be exhausted. On the 3-day chart, we are not painting a very good picture. So while you may see that, yeah, we have bounced around 25 cent level, on the MACD we have a bearish divergence. So we must flip to the green side soon to make it to have confirmation, and only then would the only then I would say the more capital would come in. Stochastic RSI is about to curl up, so that's one thing. I mean, we are painting we are seeing hidden bullish divergence. on the 3D chart on the stochastic RSI, and on the monthly chart. Let me show you something else. Let's see the monthly chart of Polonia, because that has more volume. So on that, it goes by SDR USD. So on the monthly chart, this is the monthly chart flashed from the Poloniex, and we are about to reset. We see hidden bullish divergence on the stochastic RSI, and granted, this is not looking good on the monthly. So long term on the stochastic chart, on the monthly chart of on the MACD of monthly chart of stellar lumens, we have hidden bearish divergence. We are somewhere around here. So what needs to be done to nullify this move? We need a lot of volume to push us to the upside so that we can curve to the upside. Because when these two lines meet, you can see that what happens. Let me show you what happens. So whenever these two lines meet, you can see that here. Next month we see bloodbath. So next 3 months, if the blue line goes below the red line on the MACD on the monthly chart, you can expect a lot of blood. Expect it to go to 8 cents level. You certainly would not want that to happen. But a lot can change in the next 7 to 8 days. So next 8 days, I would say they are very crucial. If we can have, if we can go above, I would say 40 cents level, because hey, we did go above 40 cents level in a matter of few days, and I think if we can have really good pump in the next coming days or so, we can see a continuation of this. Because here as well, if you're on the verge of having we were on the verge of having bearish divergence on the MACD in March 2018, but we did not. We instead pumped. So I would like something that to happen here as well. But if the momentum continues like the current one, I would not want to be in the market. So the next week is going to be very, very important for Stellar Lumens and other cryptocurrencies, because most of them are having this bearish divergence. That said, there is one chart which is looking very good, and that is the Ethereum chart. So I'll be firing up the Bittrex chart for that, because it has more history than the Binance chart. So this is the monthly chart from the Bittrex comparing Stellar Lumens and Ethereum. Here you have potential bullish divergence on the stochastic, and hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. You can also see that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from the past 7 months, the XLM is underperforming against Ethereum, and that has never happened. Last time it happened for 6 months, and we saw a huge bump for amounting 177%, and we went above this moving average of Ichimoku cloud. So if you want to multiply with Ethereum, you should just invest in Stellar Lumens and wait for this massive pump. And most probably, if it happens like 2020, you can expect it to give you somewhere around 170%, and that would take the price from 4094 to 403025. So 170% pump is expected as well on the XLM ETH chart. So I'm very bullish, and I am pretty excited to see Stellar Lumens finally performing higher than the Ethereum. So that's my analysis for the Stellar Lumens for the month of August and upcoming months as well. Again, the next week is very important for Stellar Lumens, because if we post a bearish divergence on the monthly chart, I think that would be devastating for Stellar Lumens. We really need some sort of really nice news right now, On the 3D, we have potentially bearish divergence, something which I do not want it to see, but it's happening. Um, on the weekly, we are neutral, but on the MACD, it's again not looking too good, I would say. On the 4-hour chart, we have made bullish divergence. So short term, by just looking at the charts and being as much unbiased as possible, share limits is looking good on the short term. Long term and mid term, not looking too good. So I would say keep an eye on the next week, which will give you idea of what the limit is going to do next month. Hopefully, usually October, November, December are very good months for cryptocurrencies, but we are looking at charts, and honestly, it looks like repeat of 2018, where the elements. Let me show you what happened. In 2018, the price went from 94 cents to 15 cents in just a matter of like 3 to 4 months. And here as well, the price went from 81 cents to 20 cents in a matter of few months. And I think we are right now, if I try to be as unbiased as possible, we are somewhere around, I would say here, somewhere around here or here. So if history wants to repeat itself, um, it doesn't look good, honestly. We will see some upside, and maybe then we'll go down like we did in the end, like we did in the end of 2018. So in November, you can see that we went down, and I think something like that can definitely happen this time as well. So pump and then maybe dump like that, taking us to 8 or 10 cents level. So somewhere around here. That's a lot of loss. So if you do not want to take any risk, what you can do is just wait for the month end and see where the momentum is taking us. If you see a bearish crossover here, get out of the market here. You can see that on the 1st September 2018, we had a bearish divergence. So it's looking something like, it's looking very similar here as well. So bearish divergence, it may go down. So that's all about it. Hope you like this video. And stay subscribed for more price analysis videos like these. Bye bye.